In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details in Invoice, Zoho Books. If you want clients to pay you by bank transfer, the easiest way is to display your bank information right on the invoice PDF. I'll walk you through where to find the setting, how to add the details, and how to make sure they actually show up when you send an invoice. Start by heading to the top right corner of Zoho Books and clicking the gear icon. From this menu, choose PDF templates. This is where Zoho keeps the designs for your PDFs, and anything you change here will carry over to the documents you send out. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the Invoice Templates section, not estimates or other document types. That way, you're editing the layout that your invoices use. Pick the invoice template you actually use and click Edit. If you work with more than one template, remember you'll need to update each one separately, but for now, select the main one your business relies on. In the editing screen, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the section called Other Details. This area controls optional blocks that can appear on your PDF, including a dedicated spot for your bank information. Click the Bank Details option and enter the information you want customers to see. Keep it clear and concise. Things like your bank name, account number, and any regional codes such as IBAN, SWIFT, routing, or sort code. If you want, you can add a short payment note, like a reference format for your customers to include. Take a moment to double-check spelling and numbers. Accuracy here prevents payment delays. After you've entered your details, click Preview. The preview shows exactly where the bank block will appear on the invoice and how it looks with your chosen template's fonts and spacing. If anything feels cramped or unclear, go back and adjust the wording to make it neat and readable. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. That locks in your changes for this template. From now on, when you create an invoice, your bank details will automatically appear. Just make sure you select the same invoice template you edited. If you switch to a different template, you won't see the bank information until you add it there too. That's it. You've added bank details to your invoice PDF in Zoho Books, making it simple for clients to pay you via bank transfer and reducing back and forth questions. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing!